how to ban someone on Discord server. So to do that, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to your Discord application or Discord on your browser and simply click on this user settings. So first thing what you want to do is just come over to the left section and simply scroll all the way down and click on this advanced option over here. And once you click on it, just make sure you have enabled this developer mode option. And once you do that, simply escape. And just now, next thing what you want to do is find the person whom you want to ban from your server, and I will simply right click on that particular person and copy this user ID just like this, and simply type in the following keyword which I'll be showing over here. So type in the bracket @ that person's copied ID and simply close it with the another bracket, and that particular person's ID will pop up. So finally right click on it, and here you should see such options. In my case it's not showing, and you should see such options that is ban that particular person. So in this case it's not showing for some reason, so I'll simply tap on this ignore or block instead of doing that. So thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.